Hello, heya, and yoo-hoo, everybody. Welcome to Disney's All-Star Movies Resort. Let's go ahead and take a look at a standard view room here at the resort. As we come into the left, there is the beverage station with those extra shelves. You've got your coffee, your ice bucket, your coffee accoutrements, which looks like it's kind of low, and then a beverage cooler. Here to the right, you have your queen size Murphy bed that is a table. It folds down to a queen size bed. I will show you that in just a few minutes. Just like when Jonathan and I stayed at All-Star Sports, I love these little cubbies. They are great to just store some stuff because these rooms are definitely lacking in storage, I think, especially for a larger family. So they're on both sides of that table bed. Here is the main queen bed. Judson is posing. Can you say hi, Judson?
Hello.
Hi. We're a little tired today from our park day. There is another nightstand, and there are plugs and outlets on either side, so that is good for all of your electrical plug-ins, electronics. There's even areas that you can store your luggage underneath the bed. If we swing around, we have that nice, beautiful TV and good size counter space here for all of your magic bands and everything that you could need. There are the plugs on both sides with ports. 3 drawers. And then this is a cabinet with your extra pillows and blankets, and then your safe. If you were a larger family like we are, if all 5 of us were here, we would definitely need a connecting room, and that is the door for that. Some hooks there. As we walk into the bathroom, hello. Here to the left is that wardrobe with the hangers and lots of space. Ironing board. Space here on the other side of the mirror. Lots of storage here in the bathroom, I will say that. Nice ledge for your toothpaste and toothbrushes, makeup mirror. And then in here is the water closet with the shower tub. And then each part of the bathroom is separated by a door. The toilet room has this door that closes and has a full-length mirror. And then the whole bathroom has this barn door. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what this table bed looks like. So here is the table bed pulled out. Nice size queen bed. I love the artwork there in the inside. You got Huey, Dewey, and Louie, all of their mischievous ways. You have All-Star Music here, All-Star Movies there, and All-Star Sports there. And they're dreaming of all 3 of the different resorts. I think that's so cute. So then this is what the room looks like with both beds down. There's still room to move around, so a pretty decent room. Well, that's going to do it for today's room tour. I hope that you liked this video. If you stayed at Disney's All-Star Resorts, which room did you stay at? This room is in the Mighty Ducks area. Which area were you in? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel so you can see more room tours as we go through all the different resorts here at Walt Disney World. Until next time, remember to find joy in every moment.
Bye.
Say bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
See you soon, friends. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.